Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass for iPhone 14 Pro and see what you're going to get exactly inside this box. So at the top here it says there are 2 packs in here, so we're going to find out. Let's see what we get. So it is really tight, glue in at the top, so we're first going to peel out the glue, and I'm going to open up the cover. Now inside this box there are 2 packages. You can see where is one white package here. This is the UV light, so I'm going to unbox it later. And I'm going to pull out what's inside here. And so everything is all in a tray. So there is one installation tray, and then inside the tray there is one plastic package. Now there are 3 adhesive glue. So over here, I'm just going to turn it around. So there is an installation guide at the top here. Okay, we just want to open up the top like this. And there is a bridge holder for the glue. And then we got the installation guide. We got the tape, so that we're going to tape all the buttons up so the glue doesn't spill into the buttons. And here we got the actual screen protector. So there is 2 packs in here as promised on the package. So there is 2 screen protectors. So I'm just going to pull out one of them. And this is what it looks like inside the package. It is flat, it is not curved, so this one here is nice and flat. There is no curve on this screen protector. There are 2 packages, so if you break one, you can then apply another one. And in here there are 2 bottles for the 2 screen protector, and this one is the backup, so that if you mess it up, you can try again with this backup adhesive. Okay, and in this package here there are observer pad. So these observer pads go on the side to observe any spillage of adhesive to the side of the phone. And then you got the wipe, alcohol wipe, and dust observer. So there's quite plenty in here for you to use to help you complete the job of applying a screen protector onto your iPhone 14 or the 14 Pro version or the Plus. The other package is the UV light that helps to cure the glue. I'm just going to open this one. So there is a charging cable. There is no charger with this package. There's the charging cables, and here you got the Whitestone Dome Glass UV light. So you can extend this to open up so that it stands on top to cure the adhesive glue. There's a buttons here. There are a preset 15 seconds and 60 seconds. So if you press on it once, it goes for 15 seconds. If you press on it twice, it goes for 60 seconds. And so that is everything inside the package. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.